Good morning, this is Luke Robinson from the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana with your planning briefing for Thursday, May 13th. Start off with the weather threat matrix. We do have all areas highlighted for a low threat for thunderstorms during the day tomorrow. For today, which I'll touch on a little bit later, this threat is mainly across northwest Montana. And then going into the weekend and early next week, we do have southwest Montana continuing to see that threat for scattered to isolated to scattered thunderstorms. So for the key points for this briefing, scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms for today and Friday. Again, for today, it will be mainly across northwest Montana, and then Friday expanding in coverage through the rest of the region. Warming and drying trend is expected through this weekend into early next week. Locations across southwest Montana could see some of this warming and drying a little bit to a lesser degree, as we are expecting isolated showers and thunderstorms to develop. Chances for wetting rains midweek. Now the confidence in this is fairly low at this time on the details. We're not expecting widespread wetting rains, but a lot of locations across the Northern Rockies will see more rain than we have the past few weeks. And then abnormally dry to moderate drought is starting to expand across the Northern Rockies, and I'll show a few graphs depicting that at the end of the briefing. So this is a simulated radar image from what we're expecting for today. Again, most of the isolated thunderstorms will be concentrated across northwest Montana, but the rest of the areas may see a few popcorn showers, not expecting any lightning. And I wouldn't anticipate any wetting rains out of the lighter showers, say south of Flathead Lake. But some of the stronger showers and isolated thunderstorms across northwest Montana, north of the lake, could see a wetting rain if any of your burn areas were to be impacted by them. And then for tomorrow, the scope widens for the threat for showers and isolated thunderstorms across the Northern Rockies. The greatest threat will be in southwest Montana and the eastern portions of the Clearwater National Forest in Idaho, south of I-90. The rest of the areas will see just mainly popcorn mountain rain showers. Again, southwest Montana and possibly the Bitterroots will have the best chances for any of the thunderstorm development. So as mentioned on the summary slide, we will be expecting a warming and drying trend over the weekend, particularly for areas north of southwest Montana. Sunday and Monday are expected to be our two driest days for the next few days going forward. So most locations across the Northern Rockies will get into the upper 70s or low 80s during the day on Sunday, with our min-RHs getting into the low to mid 20s. Monday should be slightly warmer than Sunday, with most locations across the region getting into the low 80s, if not the mid 80s, and then locations across southwest Montana getting into the upper 70s. Again, there could be a few isolated showers and thunderstorms in the areas through the weekend going into Monday for southwest Montana, so this could hamper some of your max temperatures depending on if your area is impacted by any of these showers. As for the min-RHs, we'll see a lot of locations getting into the upper teens, low 20s. Again, Monday likely being the driest day for most locations. As mentioned earlier, we are seeing the abnormally dry or moderate drought starting to expand into the Northern Rockies. And depending on the expected precipitation that for midweek going into the end of next week, this is likely to continue. For locations in north central Idaho, it's not quite as dry, but we are starting to see some of the abnormally dry conditions starting to show up, especially in the Nez Perce and the southwestern areas of the Clearwater National Forest. For the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook, we are looking at below normal precip for this time of the year. And for the temperatures, we are going to start to see our chances for above normal temperatures increasing. Again, scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms for today and Friday. Scope widens for Friday. Warming and drying trend this weekend into early next week. Now, areas in southwest Montana may not see as warm and dry conditions as we are expecting those isolated showers and thunderstorms. Chances for wetting rains midweek. Again, this is low confidence at this point, but right now it looks like at least some locations should see a wetting rain. And then the abnormally dry to moderate drought, again expanding into the Northern Rockies, and depending on the wetting rains we get mid next week, you can expect this to continue. That concludes our briefing for today. Our next briefing will be Sunday, May 16th. Have a good day.